What's up, Mathaholics? Glad to see all four of us are back again. Anyway, let's do this simple law of science word problem, okay? First, it might look a little intimidating, which is probably why I was requested to do this problem, but it's okay. It's really simple, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it really easily and get the right answer. So we're given a word problem. Okay, the first thing we want to do is draw out this triangle. Alrighty, I'm not an artist, but that's not too bad. And now we're going to label it with the letters that they gave us, H, P, and K. Okay? And just to change the color, it says measure of angle H is 65 degrees. That's right here. P is 78. And side length K has 8, whatever. Okay. And now we're going to find P. So P, like I said in the last video, is directly opposite the angle that has that same letter. So we know that this is going to be side length P equals question mark, and this is side H, but we're not asked to find that for this problem. So the first thing I like to do is I always like to find the missing angle. So we know that every triangle's angles add up to 180. So 180 minus 65 minus 78, and I'm just writing that kind of sloppy because I'm sure we all knew how to find that, but let me put that in the calculator real fast. Alright, that gives us 37, and I just grabbed my drawing pad upside down. Of course I couldn't write on it. Alright, so now that we have all of this worked out, it's just like another simple law of science problem. So we're going to find P. The first thing that we need, well, I guess the next thing that we need is to find a letter that has the angle and the side. And K works out for us really well. I'm glad that we found that angle, so now we can use it. We have 37 degrees and a side length of 8. So in case you don't remember the formula, it's sine of A over A equals sine of B over B equals sine of C over C. Okay, so whoops, there's that. Very simple. Now we simply just plug in. So like I said, let's use this K value. We have sine of 37 degrees, sine of 37 over 8 equals sine of 78, because it's the angle corresponding to the side we're trying to find. Sine of 78 over P. And now, in case you don't remember how to cross multiply, no worries. The pinks go together and the blues go together. Okay. Let's do blue. That's my favorite color. P sine of 37, that's an ugly 3, but it'll work, equals 8 sine of 78. And I gave this example in the last video, and I guess it helped, so I'm going to use it again. If I say 4x equals 8, and you don't recognize what number you need as a value of x right away, the first thing you're going to do is divide by 4 and divide by 4. That's going to make the 4's go away, and that's going to leave you with x equals 2 on this side over here. So when you see this problem right here, do not be intimidated by it. Don't let it frustrate you, confuse you. Don't let it make you hate this problem or anything else. We're solving for P. That is what we were asked to do from the very beginning. In case you don't believe me, it's right here. Find P. So just in that example, just like in that example I gave you, when you had to find the value for x, you wanted to isolate x, and you did that by dividing everything that was on the same side of it. So we're going to do the exact same thing here. We're going to divide by everything on the same side as P. So in this case, I don't know, I just messed up there, but here we go. There we go. We're going to divide by sine of 37 on both sides, just like we did when we had that 4x equals, I think I put it to 8. Sine of 37. Okay, now we have this cancels out, and we have p by itself on this side equals this over here. All right, and now when we just put this into the calculator, we have 8 sine of 78 divided by sine of 37, and that gives us 13.002. Now, I'm not sure how many decimals your teacher wants you to go out to, but we know that p is equal to 13 approximately. Now, let's just clear out, delete some stuff here just to make some more room. Now we know that p is 13. And that's really all you have to do. Don't let these confusing word problems be more confusing than what they need to be. If you see a problem like this, just draw it out and solve for law of sines exactly how we did in this video. I hope that helped, and if it did, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.